Question number 3. Find the area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 4y, y equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. X dash, y dash, y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 4. X square is equal to 4y. Y is equal to 2. That is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Given curve, given x raised to power 2 is equal to 4y and y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 and we want to find the area of the region A, B, C, D. Required area of the region is equal to integration of x square equal to 4y. This implies x is equal to under root 4y and x is equal to 2 root y. And required area of the region is equal to x into x dy and limit we have y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So limit lies between 2 to 4 and integration of x dy is equal to integration of x is equal to 2 root y into dy and limit is 2 to 4. Required area is equal to integration of 2 to 4 2 into root y dy and required area is equal to 2 into limit 2 to 4 and y can be write it as y raised to power 1 upon 2 dy. So required area is equal to 2 into integration of y raised to power 1 by 2 is y raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 and limit 2 to 4. Required area is 2 into 2 1 jar 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 y raised to power 3 upon 2 and limit lies between 2 to 4. 2 1 jar 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 can be write 2 upon 3. So required area is equal to 4 upon 3 and upper limit is 4. We are putting in y 4 raised to power 3 upon 2 minus lower limit is 2 raised to power 3 upon 2. 4 raised to power 3 upon 2 minus lower limit is 2 raised to power 3 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 2 raised to power 2 whole power 3 upon 2. We can write 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 and this power 2 is cancelled and 2 raised to power 3 upon 2 we can write it as 2 into root 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 2 2 jar 4 2 jar 8 minus 2 root 2 which implies 1 upon 3 into 32 minus 8 root 2. Square units answer. Given x square is equal to 4y which implies x is equal to root 4y and x is equal to 2 root y and limit is y is equal to 2 to y is equal to 4. So required area of the region is equal to 2 to 4x dy. This is equal to 2 to 4 2 root y dy and required area is 2 into 2 to 4 y dy. Y can be write it as y raised to power 1 upon 2 dy. So area is equal to 2 into integration of y raised to power 1 by 2 that is equal to y raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 1 jar 2 plus 1 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 upon 3. So 2 2 jar 4 upon 3 and we are putting y in upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 4 raised to power 3 by 2 that is 2 raised to power 2 into 3 upon 2. 2 is cancelled and we get 2 raised to power 3 or we know that 2 raised to power 3 is 2 2 jar 4 2 jar 8 and 2 raised to power 3 upon 2 we can write it as 2 root 2. 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 upon 2 and 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2 and 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 that is equal to root 2. So 2 raised to power 3 upon 2 we can write 2 root 2 and we are multiplying 4 in 8 4 8 jar 32 and 4 2 jar 8 32 minus 8 root 2 upon 3. So required area is equal to 32 minus 8 root 2 whole divided by 3 square unit. Answer. Thank you so much.